start over. Good morning. It is 11:05 now. Lower my alarm has been going off for an hour now, but I'm gonna get up now. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna call my parents because I don't think they called me yet, unless they did and I just didn't hear. But we're gonna take photos today too, so I don't know if we're gonna eat first and then take photos, or take photos and then eat, because it's already 11:05. So yeah, I'm gonna call them and then shower. Hello, I am ready now. Just in black today with my gray short. But I'm gonna go eat lunch right now. Meeting my parents upstairs. I think we're not gonna take photos today because it's too windy. But it's gonna always be windy. So tomorrow's gonna be our last day on the boat. So if we don't take it tomorrow, we ain't getting these photos. But yeah, I think I'm not gonna have Putu clean my room today because it's not bad. And I don't need it cleaned. So it's just be more work for him. So I'm gonna do the do not disturb. I am going. See you in a bit. Hello, it is 12:06. Here we is eating our lunch. Got some ramen, some meat, veggies, rice. This is my dad's shit. Another not that mom. Can say Carlo. Cảm miss nè, tôi cảm bảo nè. Cảm miss nè. I give special. But it's 12:06. We're gonna eat. I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, cause there ain't really much to do. Yeah, we're gonna take photos. That shit. Oh, we always Sunday.
I know always, but today is special day.
I always Sunday.
Oh, really?
Tụi nó extra special Sunday nè. Giật cười. Sunday. But yeah, so we're gonna take photos inside. Outside's a little windy, so we'll see if we take any photos outside. But Sai của nè nó thì có chỉ luôn chi lên na là có chỉ luôn chi à hôm mò là cho nên gì sẽ chỉ có chỉ luôn chi à
con có không có cái đá lệ ta thế mà cái giả nó cũng nó to cũng có tay mỏ nữa
sai nó wow, excuse fucking me, but nó sao cũng bự chỉ cần ngã đi lọt nó cái gì mà nó đi slow like me. I only eat the D. Okay.
mà có là chủ yếu có cái sáng cổ chi mà làm chuyện đó về ha nó cũng ăn cổ
có 우리 거 지금 이거 누워서 오면 건다. 너.
제발 로.
이거 저 넣어 봐. Bài của tao. Tôi nó cũng tốt thế ra.
Hello. So we is going back now. Well, I'm going downstairs. I ain't going back. But here we go. Oh, turn island tea. You make me feel like a natural woman. Where's Butang? Butang putting away some forks and spoons and shit. Bye, Butang. Butang right there. Butang right there. Chắc nữa còn nữa bài nữa. Bye. My dad got a refill on hot water. Hey guys, okay. So I just got done reading The Shaman and I Chosen Bride. Is it to be continued? This shit better be continued because I'm trying to read part 2 already. Like, what the fuck? I'm hella fucking shocked. I'm so fucking sure right now. Because there's so much shit. Okay. So, I'm gonna call her Mossy. Mossy, okay. Mossy and Thusaw, okay. Wow. When Mossy was a child, she touched the horns. Auntie, I forgot what her fucking name is already. Auntie Gia. Yeah, Auntie Gia. I'll just call her Auntie Gia. Auntie Gia yelled at her like, "Oh, girl, you fucked up," and did like the fucking like ceremony and shit to like call her spirit back or like protect her from like the die. And then it was fucking Thusaw who like held her hand and was like, "It's okay to be scared." And then, cause now Mossy's at their fucking house and she's like starting to realize all this shit, but she doesn't realize that she's also like a shaman too. Okay, it's fucking wild. Now Dylan is also at their house, and Kai's wife, I forgot what her name is, and Fuchi are also at the house, but I think Fuchi might be dead or something fucking happened to Fuchi. And so it's just to be fucking continued. So I'm fucking shocked. Cause again, girl, I never fucking read. And so for me to finish a fucking book that is fucking like 300 fucking pages, that 350 like 6 pages, girl, I'm sure. So this book is fucking good though. I would suggest y'all to read it. Again, it is so fucking good. Period. And we're getting ready. It's 3:59 to go take photos. Yes, last day. Second to last day. Yeah. But after I got done reading, I napped for a bit. I accidentally farted a little. It was like a little thump. And I woke up, I was like, oh. I was like, I'm in the observation by my room. So I was like, oh shit. And I went back to sleep. And I heard my mom and dad talking. And I was like, oh, they're here. And so I woke up. I was like, oh. They're looking for me. I was like, they're here. But, yeah. To a higher place. Bum 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 bum. Nhớ xong,但是呢，只望不到钱，变到个菜多大。I think 我们目前看就是被太多人挤 ，but 但是呢，也被太多大那种呢。哇，我那这进入是崩的点咯。This is the second to last day of the sunset. I'm so sad. Okay. Okay. Cute. Be cute. If you stay for this minute, girl, I'll never let you down. We ain't off the limit. Hello, it is currently 6:30. We are going to go take photos by the golf course or the mini golf area. Ooh, I'm busting brother. my parents. Bye, Shana. No. We are gonna go take photos up by the golf course, mini golf, so we can get the good view. But whew, so many fucking steps, y'all. It's a little hot too, you know. Ooh. Ooh. Hello, golf course. It's me again, golf course. This would be such a romantic like date area. Hi. Let me hit up one of my employee booth things. Shoot. Ooh, the one that was at the casino today. They were cute. They were cute. But see, at first he said this isn't even a cute spot. Now he's taking photos in it. Girl, who is the photography master? Girl, it is me. I choose the best setting. I always know. I just saw Putu. Made my day. 7:13. We just got done taking photos. We're gonna go eat now. Yeah, 7:13. So we're gonna go eat. And yeah, I don't think there's really any. Oh, there's a party today by the pool, so I'm gonna go to that. Other than that, I don't think I'm really doing anything else. I'm done reading the fucking book too, so now I really ain't got nothing to fucking do. I might just read the book again so I get a better understanding of everything now. Now that I know characters and people and names, so that everything isn't really so confusing. But yeah, some of your parents over yonder, and yeah. Look at this food. I said let me keep it a little balanced today, but there's a lot more meat than I thought there would be. But I got the salmon, the ribs, I got some veggies, I got some rice. But yes, I wanna go talk to Santi. She gave me the forms. So the form was like a Norwegian like hero or someone who did exceptional work. And so I think you can only fill one out. So yeah, my parents and I are gonna fill one out for Santi because she's a slay, period. But it basically just like says their name, their position, and like what they did or what our experience was with them, and then our name, stateroom, the ship that we were on, and then like our sailing date and stuff. But yeah, so that's pretty fucking chill, pretty awesome. But yeah, my parents, I saw them already, so they should be coming here in a bit. They're still just waiting in line for food, but Ini naman sa ketchup lang. Sinito nila yung kanjo. Zikaw no. Kaya ko siya siya.
Steak
prime rib or prime steak. There's everyone, ASMR. It's 7:50 now. 저희는 이제 벌써 뭐나. I don't want to go back. 너 자꾸 묻게 되고 내가 무스고 너 자꾸 스쿠니즈. Hello, it is 8:42 now. We just got done eating dinner, and we're watching this game show.
So far you're winning. So far you're winning. And anybody you guys to talk, everyone at swap places.
A lot of people here.
Enjoy the coolest team. Come with me. Come with me now. Coolest team. Come with me. Who wanna see on the chair? Who wanna see? You wanna see? We go team. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, you need to over the 6 points by table. You go here. Okay. Perfect. So we are ready. 2 minutes. You have to do more than 6. More than 6 points, alright? Let's try in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, that's correct. Sing Mama, that's correct. Next one.
진짜.
Psychosis. Listen. Sit. Yes, correct. Next. I think you picked the wrong one. Skip. Next one.
20 seconds.
She's enjoying it because she's like herself.
10 seconds.
10. Skip. Next one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is going. Okay, so what's gonna happen? I'm gonna show.
We ended up moving up because we couldn't see well.
Here, okay, people sitting up here.
Mama
You need to
doesn't
guess where we going. For what?
Mother and father.
So the thing, you need to describe exactly where is that place. Okay? So all the so you finish, he gets the place, and then you go for the last.
Sai con này thấy cực chín á, chẳng lấy
Okay? And then you are the next
sai
one.
từ là chỉ có lót bỏ.
Okay? You're allowed to see the screen. That's
My
okay.
dad's
Alright?
about to fucking knock
Okay,
out.
we're ready to start. You can stand up in the front. We know for safety reasons, we know how to do this. Okay? Alright. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. We have 2 minutes also. 2, 1, you can see. 3. Raise up your hands and you say, come on, okay? Or finish. You use any word. The idea
No
is
te puedes tirarlo.
we are ready to do it. This is teamwork.
Hi, it is now 9:10.
Alright, let's do it in 3,
Still playing the game.
1, go. You can support your team by the way, let's talk about the band team because tonight what is happening, we have a music ocean fest. That's gonna happen by the poolside tonight. For the next 15 days, it's gonna be more than that. We're gonna friendship, we're gonna be part of the family already. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there we go. We have the first team right here. They finished. Okay, so let's see. They did it correct. How we open the one? I know I cannot move, so the people cannot find a little bit there.
He's outside now. He's got too much to do, so here's me us now. Walking outside, enjoying the view. You don't know, you don't know. Huh? Ô, khả năng tỏ trong bự à. Thế rồi có tư bự nó. I beat you. 그림을 짤 수 있죠. 그만 지내. Nhớ sông bay lên new. Hello, it is 9:40. Is it me you're looking for? Cause what I can see it in your eyes. It's 9:40. Udah jatuh siuna kita punya na. Jatuh remove play pie in the observations. So I'm just waiting now. There's my mother. Wait. Hai ba rồi. Wow. Okay. Good.
This tao lấy đi.
Ê, chắc không cho đấy, thì chứ đâu kéo là bố à.
Sao? Tôi chỉ muốn chơi giỏ liệu. Đây là có thưa. Tôi chỉ giỏ luôn. Giỏ bên đó.
We is here and queer. Only me. But it's 10:35. We just came from the observations and now we're at the pool. They're gonna be doing live music, I think. Yes, we is. Second to last day. So sad. I don't want to be back in fucking America yet. Fucking America. But it's just me, I guess.
A bad time and not one cry. But good, I'm glad that we keep you awake for tonight, that we have a special occasion under the stars somewhere up there in a different night. It's a concert, it's a live concert, so feel free to enjoy from your seat, and if anybody feels the urge of getting up and dance, please do so, because we have as well our cruise directors up tonight here representing.
ta cô ấy stand in line watch này ô bà ta cô stand in line mà muốn nói muốn gai cho phở với cho noodle nhớ xong hả anh thấy cái này nó là phần gì vừa là chính kia hello it is 12:05 it's now officially the last day it's fucking sad but it's y api plachito I got 6 buffalo wings also got some fries you got beef chili my parents also got wings but they just got plain Nicole and G last day come to the local it's sad but it's okay I'm gonna miss eating these fucking beef chili at night but I'm fucking hungry and these chips are fucking popping too okay and these water crisp as fuck I'm gonna miss this shit but nama kuya muda de dasar tu jauh cuma de kuya mu nhìn ta đó chỉ có cá nhìn nó khỏi cho parts từ beginning của cho tao nó khó cho nó dây của nó khó pin nhìn chỉ có biết trả ninh nhân lên từ các bao đó ôi yo của tôi nói ở ra đây là cái gì hello it is the last day I mean it's the end of day 14 it's actually technically 12:37 now so it's already the last day day 15 but I'm counting this as the end of day 14 so quá tao muốn của hông của em một bự của rất xa thế giờ của sai một vị mình chỉ cho but yep and then của em một bự and then I gotta start packing tomorrow because we'll be in Florida soon in a bit and then my mom said that we have to be out by 8:30 actually of our rooms, so I think that they could start cleaning everything on Saturday the 21st, which I'm so fucking sad. Dude, I can't believe it. But yeah, so okay, I'm going to my room first. Hi, I'm actually gonna fill out these hero cards. And I'm gonna go ask. Ooh, they're cleaning. Hell fucking no. I'm gonna go ask Raymond for his full name and his information. Actually, let me on deck 17. Okay. Why didn't I ever think about this? Deck 17, no, this is wrong. Shit. But I'm gonna go ask Raymond for his end. That's still a two. Just fucking kidding. Lord, this shit's always so fucking scary. Okay. Tao. Bye-bye, tao. But yeah, I'm gonna ask Raymond for his name too, because they said that we could fill out multiple. So I'm gonna do one for Santi, one for Raymond. I want to do one for Ipa. I forgot the kind of Loja, which is also Filipino, super sweet. But I might also do one for Putu, but I need to get his name, his like full name. But yeah, okay, let's do this. Hi, this is my goodnight post. It's actually 2:03. I was watching some movies, but I am going to sleep now. So yes, the end of day 14 and day 15, last day, will come in a bit. basically already is day 15. But good night, and I will see you in a couple hours.
Okay. 모닝 커피는 디카페인 일찍 일어나니 기분 뭐까지 철없이 부재중 전화 제끼고 dance with my laziness 부분 등 팔다리 전부 다 penny Ooh I feel like I'm 17 이런도 못해만 되는 불행과 같이 살기에는 내 시간이 너무 아깝지 man Y'all gon' deserve it Unfortunate is unnecessary 알다시피